Da ka jing tmu banang pen klan syu ya ka Jingïakilan Hapdeng kari India bat ri France ka Bynta ka Hynñiew Jong ka Jingïakilan met Hapdeng ki Shipai India bat ri France ka Shakti kala Sdang menta ka sngi ha umroi ha foreign training mode ka balabyang lut nadong syadong hajela Meghalaya. Hakasngi ple perda ya kane ka Jingïakilan met lawan manishim bentalang da utiari matau ubedai unongkit tins im Jong kari France shari India but u Major General u Prasanna Sudhakar tu nginya ngap yakini ki khubor ki babnia.
Da ka jing temu banang penba su ya ka Jingïakilan ki bor Shipai Jong kari India bat ri France knang baken la bantre ya ki kam ki jam jongki ha ki babun ki Bynta ka balalong kat kum ka lenong ka Hynñiew Jong ka United Nation mandate exercise ka Shakti ka badairu ka Slam a Jingïakai ka bajulong sisian Arsenal laju penlong mar sisian hari India bat France ha ka ba ka Jingïakilan met ka bakhaddu la penlong hari France ha unai wieng Jong usnam arajar arpuwe ha ka jing a Jingïakilan Jong u theory methu u badai nongkit tins iem Jong kari France mentakas ngi ulo ong bakalawe Jong ka Jingïakilan Hapdeng ka India bat kari France hagi kam yadari kira long ka bapernai bha da ka babenra pru baki company nari France ki badai haki phang yadari kira don hapo ri India ban Jingïakilan bat iwei pat ki kenhun ki bedon bentalang ha kani ki kam hapo kani kari.
And obviously defense and security is a major pillar, and I must say the major pillar of our partnership with India. And I would like to say that this cooperation between France and India in the sector of defense and security is organized around three pillars. I mean, actually we have to work on 3 days, if I may say.
Ka kenhun Shipai India ka bakentup ya krumba khandai phongot ki Shipai lami khamat khambun da ka kenhun Rajput regiment lalor ki Shipai ki ba na ka wei pat ki kenhun ka kenhun Shipai France ka badon khandai phongot ki Shipai lami khamat kerpang da ki Shipai ki ba na ka 13 Foreign Legion Half Brigade ka dia ka Jingïakilan met kan penlet jingmot khamtam ha ki ro kom yale thma ha ki shnong he bat ki jakalum
KHASI Shakti will focus on the mechanics of conduct of circumnational operations under the Chapter 7 of United Nations mandate, undertaking company-level joint operations and sharing from each other's best practices. We look forward to our French counterparts for enriching ourselves with their knowledge, skills and expertise. The endeavour of the exercise is to learn from each other's shared experiences, develop jointmanship and interoperability through constructive dialogue between individuals and small groups.
I have no doubt that this new and improved Shakti 23-24 will be a great success and will perfectly illustrate the way the partnership between our armies has kept developing these past 3 years.
Kakilan mer Shakti kan ailat yakini ki arkan hun ban yasam lam yaki rukom ki babyang tam haki sap ki buit trekam bat ki rukom ban pelong ya ka Jingïakilan kani ka Jingïakilan met kan ailat ban penbha su yaki rukom trekam baper ka Jingïadai parlok ka bajan bat ka Jingshenia iwei pat Hapdeng ki Shipai Jong boro artli kiri. Bureau report DD News Meghalaya.
Ka Jingkendet